So hello guys, I just have my kind of stuff. It's really a lifesaver. You see that? And as you can see in YouTube, in TikTok. So I just received my parcel. I bought this from SHEIN. This kind of outfit. As you can see guys, I bought the exact size, which is I'm extra small. But there's still a but or however, still loosen. Yeah, because I have a height problem, I'm just only 4'10", so I need to make it correctly my size. So what I do is I just cut it or I split it into two, and then I sew it like hand sew. Yeah, I hand sew it, and then after I hand sew it, it's like running stitch. I use the running stitch. Running back stitch. Yeah, that's it. I don't know really exactly what kind of stitch I do, but yeah, that kind of stitches I do to my clothes. So after that, after I done sewing it, I think an idea on how could I make it correct. So I just used that kind of product, and look what I did. See, it's just like has a button now, and you just what do you call it, attach it together. As you can see now, see, and then I wore that. Look at that. See, it's my perfect size now. Oh, I love it. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just check out the YellowBasket. As you can see on my showcase, I have a lot of product there that I haven't uploaded yet, but I also check out those products and it's already proven and tested to me. So I already got my thank you for the store that invited me to collaborate with them. Thank you so much, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe or follow to me like that. Thank you so much, guys. I already adapt on this kind of a language. I'm so sorry. I need to learn, That's a kind of challenge for me. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Check out the YellowBasket.